Hey everybody, made it all the way from the island. See that behind me, Fabtech 2024. What the heck am I doing here? I bet you guys are all wondering. Aren't you a hardware guy, or don't you hit baseballs, or what are you doing here? Well guys, we're gonna find out. Gonna meet a bunch of great people here and maybe answer some of those questions. See you guys soon.
I want you to stay, baby. You're here with me, baby. You're here with me, baby. It's you and me in a world of our own. I want you to stay. Baby.
Okay guys, I just want to kind of give you a sense of how big this show is. This machine here is massive thing, right? It's got to be 70 feet long, right? But it's pretty amazing what you can do and what you can buy here at Fabtech 2024 in Toronto. Alright guys, let's have a look at this little guy. Just a little feller. There moving around. And down here, this guy is like a little mini Tesla, I guess this guy's saying. So if you order stuff from Amazon, like we all do, this little guy runs around, he picks up your order and drives around. And in a second here, he's gonna just start driving himself. This big guy here. Oh, here he goes. So here he comes. So he's out to say hello. Right, and he's gonna move back in a minute.
Hi, Jeremy.
Hi, Linda.
Oh, it's so nice to see you here.
Okay, guys, you guys have all been wondering why a fellow like me has made it all the way to Toronto to go to Fabtech 2024. I think you all know me as a building center guy and as a construction guy, but what am I doing at a tech show? Well, my friend Linda here has a bit of an announcement that she'd like to share with you.
Yeah, I'm Linda. Glad to see you. I'm the Zach Laser representative. So nice to see you here.
Yeah, and so we've been working on building our relationship over the last 3 months, and today we're officially going to announce the partnership between my company and Zach Laser, and we are actually going to be representing Zach Laser and selling their machinery in Western Canada. So I wanted to introduce you to Linda and let you know a little bit about her, and actually I'm going to do an interview with Linda in the next couple of weeks, and we're going to find out a whole lot more about Zach Laser. So guys, it's been a great day and culminating with an amazing partnership, and maybe you guys are wondering, why is this important, Jeremy? What are you talking about this partnership? Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that soon, and Linda's going to help explain. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Linda, looking forward to our partnership.
Looking forward to our very good relationship.
Thank you. It's been fun. Thanks, everybody.